Very warm welcome to all of you. So, welcome to the conceptual knowledge. So, today we are going to discuss the problems based on the cubes of a number. And today I'm going to discuss the one of the question, that is question number 4 of exercise 7.1 of class 8 maths NCERT textbook. Okay, so let us start discussing the question. Before going through that question, I hope so that you people must have the understanding of just converting the given number, given non-perfect cube number into a perfect cube number by multiplying the smallest number in that. It means by multiplying the least number. The questions will be there that what least number is going to be multiplied with a given number so that it can become a perfect cube number. So that is very easy. We can just take out the prime factors of that particular number, and then we find that by multiplying which number we are going to get the pair of. It means the group of three numbers in the product form, and we can easily get this. Okay, so this is one of the ways we think. I'm not interested in discussing that particular things. Just a prerequisite, as a prerequisite I discussed that thing. But now basically our question is this. I'm just going to read the question and then try to make you understand about the concept of this question. Basically this question is the application based question. Okay, I hope so that I'm just trying to make you people understand about this. So let's start. So the question says that Parikshit is a boy. So Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine, some material, of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This is the dimension of the cuboid. How many, the question is asking how many such cuboids will he need to form a cube. The simple question is simply asking that how many such cuboids is needed to form a cube. So I'm just drawn over here the cuboid already, so that our time should save, and I'm just hiding this particular thing so that you will should understand all the things. I had drawn some of the things already, so that it will save us our time. Okay, so this is a cuboid. Okay, its dimension is given. So now the question is asking that how many these types of cuboids were needed to form a cube. Simple, this is asking, nothing other than that. And we know that how to find out the number of cuboids or the number of squares, or the number, it means number. The question to find out the number, we need the whole, the value of the bigger thing, and then we'll divide that smaller thing. Like if you want to just to find out this number, so we need the dimension of that particular cube, the bigger cube, so that we can find out the volume of that particular bigger cube, and then we will find out the volume of this small cube as I had the cuboid as I had done already, and then we can just divide it, and we can easily get the solution of this question. But in the question it is not given us the value of the it means the dimension of the cube. So how we'll solve this question? The mystery lies over here only. Okay, so we can solve this question. First of all, let us start solving this discussion of this question, solution of this question. So I had already discussed with you people about that particular thing. I had told you also that is a prerequisite. It means you know how to convert the given number into a perfect cube number by multiplying the least number in that. So this concept only we are going to apply in this question. So this is an application based question actually. Okay, so I'll try to make you understand about this. So let us understand, everyone. So dimension of the given cuboid is this. Length, breadth and height is given. I had found out its volume. It's very easy thing to find out its volume. Now the next step will be, if we got the length of that dimension of this cube, and then we can easily find out the volume, and then we can divide the bigger volume by smaller volume, and we can get it. But here the question is that it is not given us the dimension of the bigger cube, so we need to find out directly its volume without knowing this dimension of the cube by applying that particular concept only, which I had discussed earlier. So now this is the volume of this smaller cuboid. Now we need to convert this number into a perfect cube number. Okay, so the concept lies over here only. So we are going to convert it now. So I'm just continuing from here, the solution part. So now 50 is equals to, we can write 50 as we are already knowing that how we had got the 50, 5 multiplied by 2. So we can see that we are having 2 5 and 1 2. So on multiplying 1 5 and 2 2, try to understand. Okay, so we are going to get this in the form of a perfect cube number. So I'm going to do that. So I'll just write on multiplying both sides. I hope you people will understand. It's not a very big thing, both sides. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We are going to multiply this whole both the sides. On multiplying this both sides, on multiplying both sides, this we get, okay, what we get. So 50 multiplied by, okay, we can see over here 5 into 2 into 2, it will become 5 4s are 20. So we can just directly do over here 20, and here we can do like this, 5 into 5 into 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. I'm extremely sorry if my writing is going to create a trouble for you people. I'm just magnifying this so that you people can watch it clearly, so that it should not create any problem for you people to watching and understanding the concept. Okay, so okay, now you can see that we will we easily got it. It will become 5 to the, sorry, and this is 50. No, I had written 5, so let me correct it. These silly mistakes though I already do, it means always do, so I'm just already being sorry for these things. Okay, now we can see that we can make the pairing of the numbers. So 2 cube, and then we can write 5 cube, so we can easily get it, like you can see this 2 multiplied by 5. So I'm just making this, doing this for you people to understand it. It's not necessary that you should do this also. 10 cube, it means 1000. So the volume we had got it, okay, volume. So therefore we'll write directly, we'll write, it means we had got the understanding. Okay, no need to just mention anything and write more and more things to waste our time already, so its time has been enhanced. No, so therefore volume of cube, which we need to make by joining this small cuboid. So the volume of cube is equals to 1000 centimeter. We are going to keep the unit same, okay, 1000 centimeter cube. So therefore now we can easily find out the number of cubes. So therefore number of, sorry, cuboids, not cube, so is equals to volume of, I hope that it should be visible. Again, I'm magnifying it properly so that it should be visible to everyone. Volume of cube, and I had made that bigger cube also over here so that you all should understand the things. Okay, so volume of cube equals to, divided by volume of cuboid. So what is the volume of cube? That is 1000, and volume of cuboid is what? That is, we had found out 50. So 0 will get cancelled with 0, and now 20 times 100 will go, so we can get number of cuboid is equals to 20. So this is our required answer. So I'm just again trying to show you people properly the whole solution. Okay, I hope so that all of you had understood. This is our small cuboid and this is our larger cube. So how many of these cuboids we are going to need to make this larger cube? So that is 20. So thank you everyone. If still you people have any doubt or any problems, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.